What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Air Jordan 4 Winterized Loyal Blue. So in case you don't have these sneakers yet, they come in a box just like this. Let's take a look at these things. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. Put this box away, you know what I'm talking about? Show you guys what's going on with these sneakers. Let me give you like a 360 real quick. Look at the bottom of the sneaker. Look at the top of the sneaker. Okay? Now, whenever you get these sneakers, I want you to put your hand around the sneaker. Just feel it. Alright? Put your hand all around the sneakers, just feel it. These sneakers are made of suede, alright? And I mean tough material on these sneakers. You understand what I'm saying? They're made for the winter. So these sneakers are not gonna get destroyed easily. You can put them through anything. You understand what I'm saying? You're not gonna see no scratches. You're not gonna see any scuffs or anything like that. Let's talk about these sneakers real quick, alright? As we take a look at the side of the sneaker, the laces holders are gray, the black plastic, alright? On both sides. You got the black Jumpman sign on the back, bottom of the sneakers, okay, midsole, you see the red Jumpman sign. This color is called Loyal Blue, okay, winterized, made for every winter condition. If it's made for a winter condition, to me it's made for any weather condition. What's better than rocking your Jordans and wearing them and not caring about getting them dirty? Well, hey, listen, I want to rock Jordans and not worry about getting them dirty. That's dope to me. You understand what I'm saying? If you guys get the sneakers, I want you to do this right here, right? This sneaker is a little more heavier than the usual Jordan 4s. You understand what I'm saying? I think that's due to the material that it's made of, the tough material. Plus the tongue is made of rubber. It's thick, it's a little heavy, making the entire sneakers a little heavy. It's a dope sneaker, but the color is dull to me. I'm not smelling the color right now. You understand what I'm saying? But at the same time, I'm liking how tough the sneaker could be. It's a Jordan 4, the look is classic, and it's not gonna get destroyed that easily. So for that reason, I give it 6 out of 10. All right, I give it a 6 out of 10. I'm not loving the color, but I'm loving the fact that I could wear this sneaker in any condition. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna get destroyed that easily. And to me, that's dope. You know what I'm saying? All right, these sneakers right here are $220 retail price. And if you get it for anything less, good for you. I hope it ain't fake. I've not come to the end of my video, guys. If you're new to this channel and you're watching me for the first time, please click that subscribe button, share my video, okay? And if you're subscribed already, please click that like button and share my video. I appreciate everybody here. Don't forget to hashtag your pictures to hashtag SkyDukes on Instagram, okay? I do a monthly competition, picking the top 10 best pictures from the hashtag page and announcing it here on my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel and you're watching it, you're on Instagram and you got your dope ass sneaker pics, hashtag it to SKIDUKES and you could be one of the top 10 every month announced here on YouTube channel, SkyDukes YouTube channel. Okay, thank you guys again for watching my video, and until next time, I might see you with these on, or I might not. Who knows? One easy.